In front of me is Huawei Pura 70 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use keyboard Clipboard in Celia and Microsoft keyboards. Start by accessing your keyboard, in my case Celia 1, and copying or cutting any text. Now to access it, use this icon at the top left corner, select Clipboard, click on your text and select Paste on the left. To delete it, select Delete in the middle or cancel it by hitting Cancel. If you are using Microsoft keyboard, I need to change mine real quick. You can click on this clipboard at the top, clipboard icon, and adjust all of its options by clicking on this gear at the top right corner. Then make sure that this switcher next to Remember Copied Items is enabled. Scroll down, click on Add New Clip, and if you wish to add something to your clipboard manually, just type it in and hit Save. To pin it or unpin it, use this pin on the right. To delete it, swipe it to the left. Then you can access your clipboard on your device. Copy or cut any text, click on it at the top of your keyboard to paste it, or tap on the clipboard and paste it by clicking on it here. You can pin it the same way and also delete it. To go back to your standard keyboard, click at the top left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!